The title screen appears with the text PopClean Elite Series popper with touchscreen controls, popping instructions for salt and butterfly corn. The front view of a stainless steel popcorn machine on a base, with a neon sign reading popcorn, is shown.
Before you begin, make sure you have read and understand the operator's manual, installation instructions, and all other safety instructions before setting up and using this equipment. Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, injury, or death. Any alterations to this equipment will void the warranty and may cause a dangerous condition.
Warning text excerpts from the manual appear on the screen while the narrator shares the information. A note states it is extremely important to follow all of the cleaning procedures, otherwise, parts damage and equipment failure will result. The warranty does not cover parts that are damaged due to improper cleaning.
Installation of the PopClean Elite Popper Series poppers should be performed by qualified service personnel, and the fire suppression system, if equipped, must be charged and activated by an ANSOL certified representative. Read and understand the instruction manual and all other safety instructions for the unit before using this equipment. Turn on the main power switch.
The main power rocker switch is turned on. The popcorn machine's touch screen appears.
On the home screen, press Cook. Next, select your recipe by selecting butterfly popcorn, salt flavoring, and your popcorn load size, and press OK.
The cook icon is pressed on the touch screen. On the popcorn machine touch screen, the butterfly icon is pressed, the salt icon is pressed, the large load size icon is pressed, and finally, the green check mark is pressed. The screen advances, showing a kettle and the word preheating.
Your kettle will then begin preheating. Once the kettle is preheated, the screen will say, Add corn and Flavacol. At this point, load your corn and Flavacol, close the lid.
A person in a black shirt pours the popcorn kernels and Flavacol into the popcorn machine kettle and closes the lid.
And press the OK button. After pressing OK, you will be asked to dispense oil. Press OK to dispense oil and start the cooking process.
The person returns to the touch screen and presses the green check mark confirming they have added the corn and to start dispensing oil.
Your popcorn will start popping and the screen will alert you when it is time to dump the kettle.
Popcorn is popping and overflowing out of the kettle. An animation of a kettle being dumped is shown on the popcorn machine's touch screen.
When it says Dump Kettle, press OK to continue. After you dump the kettle, take your popcorn scoop and gently move the popcorn around to separate out any unpopped kernels.
Then the person goes to the popcorn machine kettle and dumps the popcorn using the handle and presses the green check mark confirming the kettle has been dumped. The person gently moves the popcorn around in the popcorn machine using a perforated scoop.
The screen will now ask you if you need to repeat recipe. Select OK to cook another batch. If done, select Cancel.
The touch screen shows the previous selections and then the person selects the white X and a red circle to cancel.
Now you are ready to scoop and serve delicious popcorn.
The person carries a tub full of popcorn and sets it on a table. The screen fades to black and the gold medal logo appears.